Mibisa wasem. Obi a ekommode no. Any obi a wedidi ame. Kwa na ade aduane ma na obedi. The local players are hungry to go outside and play football. For me, Mama Kwaba. And a video is sponsored by God Science Studios. God Science Studio is studio Kumasi. We undertaking weddings, funerals, music videos, movie post-production. Everything about production. It is a open set. My baby wajuma mawa. And one of friend number was 0242541597. And I feel so you're sponsored by Kubi so the Mediscrap. Mediscrap it deal with medical uniforms and medical equipment. Wait me and your more number way. So number near 0593 47 55 70. 0593 47 55 70. I have for I feel twaso. Last year 2021 and then say AFCON ebaso ewo Africa. AFCON ye cup of African nations. Na nyame ya dum Ghana ye qualify. Ya qualify no na enye easy die na adwuma no she sika akononsa from the beginning said the money no. Na eja ye sika nya de during the World Cup qualifiers na no more born inti. No mkofa ye so be the Milovan because wa ba pen abeye adwuma ne pen. Into Omokofa Milovan by MI nyina no be energy because in 2010 the performance of putting up at South Africa at the World Cup 2010 was very, very massive. Emma Ghana Koyaki it me could do a quarter finals. Yeah, I think it could do quarter finals, which was very, very nice. Now this run or buy the amount for person much less say. Eye milo ye ba ye die esi chiri nim moki nim nti enye that is a milo na ye nom ne 2010 no ene say mommy enkohwe the kind of players ne line up or the call AFCON we are going, heaven knows where we are going. Say yes, I'm because of the kind of players who choose here, they call AFCON no. Because this is the first time ever since so many few years I started to make Blaster matches. You do be from third tier, second tier of European leagues. Eba Blaster. I quite remember when Asamoah in your contract, or they call in Ghana for be bashe now, including countryman Songo. Say, how come say Ghana Blaster captain Ebo Ball UAE, which is Ain. Right now, and then Ghana, your captain Bobo Wakata. Ain has won Asia Champions League. And so your captain now or Wakata no. The team crown league no crown no money that top. Secondly, Enra eja you started a tournament. Ghana lose your first match against Morocco. And your second match, you Gabon your board draw. Your board draw we you know. Your third match we were hoping say Comoros there one. Comoros has no history in football. Secondly, omu players, you know, were local based players. Yeah, players, you know, was much ahead. Nanki who pisen kibede, you bet me a show mananka yenya. Slim chance via the bed, you will qualify to the next stage. By Mra Merehoi. Rehoi, papa. Merehoi. This is one of the so many things that other journalists move to say countryman Songo, Joe Lacamo, and Andy Mo can want some about the Ghana FA because Ghana was so many players or more abroad or more ball. They are doing better, but due to corruption, any person kunya one penny for they choose to bring some players via they don't even deserve to even play for Asante Kotoko as a local club by what Ghana mpo na wabebo Ghana national team because Okofa player be from Sweden town eba bebo Blaster Abraham no Jemfiti habo Adriana a onimbo bo chance any pakro no Benjamin Futu any bo sense any pakro na mokofa ne buy but you choose not to pick any of our local players now Okofa obi from South Sweden town Okofa obi from Reading keeper no kro mo no be tum yes be Jojo Warakot wa sasa we as kram bi da. So can you tell me say this keeper is better than Felix Annan former Kotoko keeper now Kotoko Ejana Kwanana and now said this keeper no is better than Haas for keeper no Odomo Pumunana. How are we doing these things? But before the match no I was screaming through social media and I'm who says hey I promise Blaster for said so mutimi we need match na mutimi we need Ghana versus Comoros match na they will be going to be giving $30,000 when I'm on social media and I'm who some video be na me pesa for me nyina nko video no and let's see how interesting that video is.
Nana mutumi safre mu ne de ya Jamaica ne say nana say blasters sabako se Comoros blasters bako se Comoros na omabeji ewini bonus akodi ni kwa Abraham mo blebia of Africa AFCON we mu de ana munusu mlefi ana munusu mlefi ebra my wife oye ni service ni sika kora abe we ye ni mai ifi ya pasa ye nyahwe common kwa ebra a school for a common do adwane basa de ye mo mufi nso ana ya sika e da common Blaster for so mukudi mambo ana mambo two games abubo nyina na nanu omo lusu baako ebe ball draw baako omo mehye we mu e me kan chom so mehye Comoros in country a football club be wo kuru mo we nye tuma obeka se come Blasters ko se omo do ma ba fi nana so mo ti ase dia Blasters mo lusu nanu mo lusu nye esika mo Blasters so be lusu papa so mo be she Comoros so be ji esika $30,000 and I say $36,000 akwa ko di ni free say qualification bonus wa and then be twi amka ananu ntwi amka ananu ntwi amka pa afres mo mun lusu mlefi ye nyina na tsenfi ananu timunti de mekam se ma nye wi ya mo me a me ni machibi nananu Blasters boyeka e kwanya ke sia ye dira e kwayo tu so still did this ke ko ba e ko se Blasters ni se obi ne se tiri a nananu mo ne so obi na hye blasters yɛkyi ɛna so mu lusu ɔmo gye sika die na ɔmo nkɔbɔ bla bia na ɔmo asa abɛtena ase na ɔmo lusu saa sika na de hwɛ legends ne bi kura apia mo kura nkasa bia ɔmo ayɛ nana no me asem
I for one video here I no. This is how painful and how grievances Ghanaians are pouring out because of this blaster currently. Because how can you say you will teachers, you will necessary for more for fry intimi nyamo and for moon to payroll so any a trio moka. Ama mu pays ake mama arrears womb. Ama electricity be cost strike, doctors say cost strike. Health workers be break or strike. Now we got $30,000. I must have place a full way so mon konko wini. Entina akwayi friend na nanom. So can cheat ya blaster. Nen run so nyame ye yadom. Ema itia blaster and so papa man itia ye. Because you start ya ni key player wa demu. Nyame ye yadom ni man red card. Your man red card will free ma. And then kofone start so mo share. You know mushe too. In a second half year ye one ye tete ya yenimsi ya tete ye beshe. Then kofone side back up peso. A whole Ghana blaster. That team beyond share is a Comoros. A share 3-2 enra. Now after see a lusu match no, a lot of celebrities be brave bonting, a babe pole on my heart out, a be swing, a be share or my drain, a be ma funny comments, a be sere blaster. I have me encourage some videos.
Yo, jump this way. Mama, yeah, see them mutali way, see them mutali way. My guess away, my guess away. Yeah, come on, boy, come on, President way. I would run away, I would run away. Yeah, Germans away, at your Germans. Yeah.
Blackstar. CK. I want to say what that guy said, but I can't say it. CK, it's me, Bridget. Okay, Milo, it's me, Bridget.
Nigeria for Ghana's loss in the AFCON. You people think it's a joke, but it's deeper. There's a deeper secret in there. I am able to break Illuminati codes. Listen to me when I tell you. I am breaking the code. Nigerians are the cause. Super Eagles, the whole of Nigeria, they cause our loss. If you think I'm lying, what was the Comoros jersey color? Green. What's the major color in Nigerian national flag? Green. So our players didn't want to score them because we thought we were playing Nigeria, our cousins. Why should we score our cousins for them to go home? Little did we know that it was a facade. It was a setup.
Me aneti true ade konti ama me ye video in and afi na adru so. Me problem nyina ne say Ghana Blaster is being used as business entity for some people. There are some people at the FA omu choose say yem for mu players in tournament say ne be ya the player no was smaller club obenya chance aba bigger club e bi kura na ne standard ne nya no sa Blaster ho no kra no. Because if you have some players be omo bobo England e bi bo Wolves e bi bo bigger clubs in Europe nessa wuntimi fresh ankofo imoma na ankofo be from Reading Sao Paulo Swingen Town e de ne baba be bobo. What do you want us to do? It was certain be a year against it yamo. It was certain be a year against it yamo. Because you people are very selfish. You are greedy and you are corrupt, which is wrong. First, no, yes, I expose Kosinya Ntechi because he was corrupt. But to me, no, Kosinya Ntechi was far better. Although say be not on said the am not say cano, but Blaster was solid from 2006 up to 2014. Ghana had a solid team. Until some penifoni be quiet said they are greediness nene yinti. Omokoye ma team ne a dismantle Brazil. Ghana had a solid team. Because the players are near bono. You can mention players Essien ball Chelsea, Muntari ball Inter Milan. Satam na they started here no about Marseille, about the ball Swansea. Asamoah ball Sunderland, Kokobo and in. Odi kan free a yikra ne bae, Leon Cranson ne bae. Football player BAD and when him say player we bought this bigger club or bought. So we have players from Juve Nina Eba, from Udinis Nina Eba. Like unlike right now you team here how can a player from a Sweden town, Redden, second tier team any bigger than Kotokone has a war Ghana? Omo performance are not better than those two clubs, you know. Ewo Ghana ha. Near from a player, but with the local players, you know, and especially under 24 na do mokoje African, you know. Yenti mi am free movie. Near Kofra near free movie and sapa near choose will be a bo sa Sweden town. Say or you better than the person I didn't free Ghana how under 20 manager here. But I remember said that's local players Kronana and Noah Comoros and the share blaster 3-2. Mibisa wasem. Obi a ekomode no. Any obi a wedi di ame. Kwa na di aduane ma na obedi. The local players are hungry to go outside and play football. It is all the omo set tournament. Omu yu omo yembo. Knowing say or yire ne ho abo say na be ya he will attract contract from outside. Ne ya eden ya tonako. Ono baby otina obo no. Waboha scout be a crying scouting and puna or promoting. So how can you say nipa be yin a yamabo? And I was very, very sad, especially in Patebo or born and ra. Me who say Pate who say team ninye. Into when you near my mobile, not Pate training night. The kind of football I mean him say Pate Bono. He wasn't able to play that kind of football. Let's be honest to ourselves. Let's be honest to ourselves. And the men share and Casabri, a hair and a minimum day and common BC. Mr. Musemba subscribe to my channel. Nama share. Send a bear for France. Make I must say this video was sponsored by God Sign GH Studios. Ye BBR, ye music production, video production, movie post production, weddings, funeral, birthdays, photo shoots, ye be about media. It is a open see a baby chawa for or birthday, engagement, be a person baby chama be a baba cover ma obiano. Frey was 0242541597. And the second company or sponsors our video in so ye Mediscrap a company omo deal with medical supplies like medical uniforms. Scraps na nurses for nation and doctors nation and omu deal with medical equipments be to say blood sugar tester BP tester they check your BP ne sa nema medical equipments na they check it sa eyi ni nyina omu deal bi omo so betimi enyo omo so wo 0593 47 5570 wait me any more 0593 47 5570. Therefore, Madam Asibi Bray, Yamin Shramon, that's an Ebesessia. Bye bye.